Congratulations on your new Brio Moderna Series 4-stage RO bottleless water cooler. Let's walk through the easy installation. Step 1. Cooler placement and drip tray. After you remove your water cooler from the box, move it to a location that is flat, shaded, and near a grounded wall outlet. Place your cooler at least 8 inches from the wall to allow for proper airflow. Now, slide the drip tray and grid into place. You're all set. Step 2. Connecting to a cold water supply. First, turn off the cold water supply and disconnect the pipe. Next, wrap plumber's tape around the threads of the cold water supply line and feed water adapter before connecting the feed water adapter to the cold water supply line. Now, insert the water inlet tube into the quick connector of the feed water adapter and tighten it securely. Step 3. Reverse osmosis waste connection. Locate a straight or vertical area on your drain pipe before the P-trap and drill a hole using a 1/4-inch bit. Only drill through one side of the pipe. Next, find the half of the drain saddle with a hole in the center and the foam gasket. Remove the backing, align it with the hole, and affix it to the inner side of the saddle. Now, put both sides of the drain saddle around the drain pipe, aligning the holes, and secure them with bolts. Insert the RO waste tube into the drain saddle hole. Step 4. Flushing the filters. Start by connecting the filter housing to the filter by twisting clockwise. Next, connect the tip of the water inlet tube to the left side of the housing and the filter flushing tube to the right side. Place the open end of the flushing tube over a sink or bucket and turn on the water. Flush until the water runs clear. When finished, remove the filter housing from the tube. Repeat with all filters except for the RO filter. Final steps. Open the cabinet door, locate the filter housings, and twist each filter into place. On the back of your cooler, find the safety plug and remove it. Now, insert RO water outlet tube, the water inlet tube, turn on the water supply, and plug in the cooler. Place a cup under the tap and dispense hot, cold, and room temperature water until the flow is steady. Next, locate the red heating and green cooling controls on the back of your cooler and switch both to on. That's it. Now you're ready to start enjoying better hydration with your new Brio water cooler.